Hilbert man accused of killing 2 motorcyclists with his car will undergo a mental evaluation. Today, Clinton Lovelace pleaded not guilty to 12 felonies in Fond du Lac County court after hitting a group of motorcyclists head-on in late May. Dan Winsemius and Doug Yonkers, both of Michigan, were killed in the crash. 8 others were injured. Brian Miller was in court today and has more.
Clinton Lovelace pled not guilty to all 12 felonies against him, including 6 new charges that claim he was under the influence of drugs at the time of the crash. Now, he was on probation, and deputies found syringes and a substance they believe to be LSD. At his second court appearance, Clinton Lovelace was up and walking, a stark difference from last month's court date when he was in a wheelchair. He now has scars on his face from injuries he got from this deadly crash on Highway 151. Tim Toman of ABATE, a motorcyclist rights group, is among about a dozen riders who showed up to support the victims.
This person is so beyond the pale of awful. Now, this man crossed the center line, aimed for the first bike, missed, hit the next 10 bikes in that line, killing 2 of those people, and I can't tell you how many of the others have lost limbs.
Lovelace's public defender asked for a competency hearing, saying her client suffered a head injury in the crash and has amnesia, unable to remember what happened that day.
Of course he had a head injury. He hit 10 motorcycles at 50-some miles an hour with his car.
And while this case will not be settled anytime soon, these riders vowed to be in the courtroom throughout the trial. A Harley-Davidson dealer in Fond du Lac raised $25,000 to help pay the medical bills for the victims in that crash. A motion hearing will be scheduled within the next 60 days for Lovelace. In the newsroom, Brian Miller, NBC 26.